parts of Jammu and Kashmir after the killing of Hezbollah chief Nasrallah. We've seen in the recent past as well how protests have been taken out by various political factions as well, PDP and NC sympathizing with terrorist Nasrallah. After his elimination, they even called off their campaign, and now we have a continuation of a similar sentiment that's being echoed across Kashmir. There you see posters of Nasrallah being raised, and Palestine flags have also been taken out during the protest march. These are the people you see on your screen sympathizing with Nasrallah, the top terror chief of Hezbollah, who was recently eliminated by an Israeli airstrike, which was done after intel inputs that were received from an Iranian mole as far as the French reports are concerned, because the French media claimed that a deep-rooted Iranian mole gave out all the information about Nasrallah's presence. And after that, precision strikes were carried out by Israel, thereby eliminating him. And after his elimination, we have protests breaking out from Jammu and Kashmir to Uttar Pradesh and Lucknow as well. We have Arawat joining us live on this broadcast. Arawat, the protests have been taken out in Kashmir. People are continuing to sympathize with Nasrallah, the terror face of Hezbollah. What's happening? Tell us more.
Yeah, absolutely. As we have seen that after the elimination of the Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah, we have seen that the parts of the Kashmir Valley where the
ऊपरले हिमाचल के से बहुल्य क्षेत्र है उसकी बात हो या निचले हिमाचल जिला कांगड़ा का पोंग डैम के ऊपर अच्छी कनेक्टिविटी की बात हो ब्रिजेस के रूप में, और उसके साथ साथ हमारा चाहे मंडी ज़िला है चाहे हमीरपुर ज़िला है, हमारा हमेशा से ये सोच रही है कि हमने संपूर्ण हिमाचल प्रदेश के हर क्षेत्र का समान विकास करने में योगदान देने का प्रयास किया है। इसी संदर्भ में हमारे काफ़ी समय से जो हम प्रयास कर रहे थे हिमाचल प्रदेश के लिए, हिमाचल प्रदेश के सड़कों के विकास के लिए, उसमें पिछले कल एक बड़ी सफलता हिमाचल प्रदेश सरकार को और ख़ास रूप से लोक निर्माण विभाग को जो है वो प्राप्त हुई है। हमको 2024-25 के वित्तीय वर्ष के लिए केंद्र सरकार द्वारा जो हमारा केंद्रीय मंत्रालय है रोड सरफेस एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, उसके माध्यम से जो हमारे माननीय मंत्री है आदरणीय नितिन गडकरी जी, जिनसे हम समय समय पर जाकर दिल्ली में मिलते रहते थे और हिमाचल के विषयों के मुद्दों को उनके समक्ष समय
Well, let's shift our focus back in Kashmir, viewers, where protests are being taken out by people who are sympathizing with Nasrallah after his elimination by the Israeli Air Force. This is precision strikes. We have protests breaking out in Valley and in other parts of the country as well. But let's now focus on what's happening in Kashmir, because Arawat is also joining live with us. Arawat, tell us about the protests and tell us what's happening on ground zero, because there's a lot of sympathies for Nasrallah and Palestine.
Yeah, absolutely. It clearly indicates that there's some people in the Kashmir, they are having the sympathies for the Hezbollah chief after the elimination of Hezbollah chief. We have seen that there are protests at the various districts of the Kashmir Valley. The first protest which started in the North Kashmir's Patan, Baramulla, and the second protest which is right now going in the Delina, Baramulla, and the third protest which is still underway in the North Kashmir's, particularly if we'll talk about the parts of North Kashmir. Now the third protest which is underway in right now going in the Srinagar, and we have seen that these kind of sympathies are being shown in the parts of the Kashmir Valley that we have seen after the elimination of Hezbollah chief. There are multiple protests from last couple of days in the various locations in the Kashmir Valley, but we have seen the Jammu and Kashmir police and other security forces are on alert, and for the precautionary measures we have seen that the security forces have been deployed at the various locations where these protests are going on at this moment. We have seen that in the North Kashmir's Badgam and other places the markets have been closed after the Friday prayers in the solidarity with the Hezbollah chief. Yes.
But Arawat, somebody has to educate these people, because Nasrallah was no saint, he was no messiah, he was a perpetrator of crimes against humanity. And despite that, we see open support for such a terror chief who has been eliminated.
Yeah, absolutely. We have seen in the particularly, if we'll talk about the Kashmir Valley, we have seen that the sympathies for these terror groups, designated terrorists from the Mahbooba Mufti, when she tweeted that she is not doing the campaigns for in the collaboration with these killing of the Hezbollah chief. And after that, we have seen there are multiple protests in the various locations in the Kashmir Valley, whether we will talk about the Kashmir-based political parties, whether we will talk about the Omar Abdullah. He was speaking against Israel and the engineer Rashid. And it clearly indicates that they are having the soft corner for these designated terrorists. It indicates that we have seen from the last couple of days that these kind of the protesters are still going in the multiple locations across the Jammu and Kashmir. Yes.
Right, Arawat, stay on with us because we have more visuals coming in from Beirut in Lebanon, where Israel has continued its airstrikes, and the visuals are on your screens, viewers. In fact, these are the protests first. Let's first talk about what's happening in Kashmir. In Baramulla, people have taken out a protest rally in support of Nasrallah and against the killing of the Hezbollah chief. Now let's tell you what's happening in Beirut. These are visuals from Lebanon.